What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to ceramic coat the Lexus. Let's get into it. Alright guys, the first thing you have to do before you apply this ceramic coating, you have to wash the car, wax and polish and clay bar. But I've already done that this morning, so I'm not gonna show this on the video. And this ceramic coat I'm going to use, it's armor shield by AvalonKing. And before we start, the kit come with the gloves, microfiber towels, and then more microfiber towel to apply this ceramic coating to the car. All right, let's get into it. All right guys, I'm all done. As you can see here, everything looks crystal clear. Looks really nice, really nice. As you can see here, my exhaust is still here, so tomorrow I will install this. But this video about the ceramic coating, I'm not going to post that until after I post the video where I install the exhaust, because I can't wait to install these and post this video and see how it's sound like. All right guys, that's it. That was just a probably a short video. I don't know how long it's gonna be of me, so I'm coating the whole car. And this is the ceramic coat that I use. It's Armor Shield by AvalonKing. Alright guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you in the next one.